Supercharge your writing, unleashing the power of adverbs. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we'll delve deep into the fascinating world of adverbs and their role in describing actions. By the end of this session, you will enhance your descriptive writing skills using adverbs, and your sentences will become much more vivid and engaging. So, let's get started. Adverbs are powerful words that modify or describe verbs, adjectives, and even other adverbs. They often tell us how, when, where, and to what extent an action is performed. For instance, in the sentence, "She ran quickly," the word quickly is an adverb describing how she ran. Adverbs are incredibly versatile and can add depth and detail to your writing when used correctly. Now that we know what adverbs are, let's explore how they can enhance your writing by describing actions. Adverbs can add precision and detail to your sentences by providing additional information about the action. Consider the following sentence: "He painted." This sentence is simple and clear, but it doesn't evoke much imagination, does it? Now, let's add an adverb: "He painted meticulously." This revised sentence gives us a deeper insight into how he painted. Similarly, the sentence, "She sings," can become, "She sings melodiously," adding a layer of descriptiveness that helps us visualize her singing more vividly. Remember, adverbs can help you describe actions in a way that makes your writing more vibrant and expressive. Practicing the use of adverbs in sentences can solidify your understanding. Let's try a few exercises together. I will provide a simple sentence, and you can pause the video to think of an appropriate adverb to enhance the sentence. 1. The dog barks. 2. She drives. 3. They study. You can use adverbs such as loudly for the first sentence, carefully for the second, and diligently for the third. The possibilities are endless, and the choice of adverb depends on the context you want to establish. Well, that brings us to the end of our session on using adverbs to describe actions. Adverbs, used correctly, can elevate your writing from plain to exceptional. Practice is the key to mastering the use of adverbs, so keep experimenting with different adverbs in your writing. Thank you for joining us today, and I hope this lesson has helped you understand the power of adverbs. Stay tuned for more fun lessons on English grammar. Happy learning!